Today I thought of making something helpful for you guys. It's about saving fuel and increasing the mileage of your motorcycle. As you all, अरे बाप रे कितना कड़क एग्जॉस्ट है एकदम कड़र. So I thought of making this bit. Just hold on. There you go. अभी टाइम है 4:40. What's up guys? This is just what I wear usually when I motovlog. So first things first, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you this little screw which is quite important in your bike. This one little screw right here. So I'll just start it up right away. Yeah, so this is happening, okay? That means the bike engine is quite slow. So इधर जाने का ये screw है. Just tighten the screw a bit and your bike will respond immediately. So there you go. Most of you keep the engine at this speed. इसको बोलते हैं engine बहुत fast है, okay? तो आप अपने को क्या करने का है, अगर आपको फ्यूल सेव करने का है, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिड्यूस द फ्यूल कंजम्पशन, आपको फ्यूल की बचत करनी होगी, तो क्या करने का, ये है ना ये स्क्रू, इसको ना लूज़ कर देने का और इंजन का फायरिंग इधर तक लाने का, धक 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 धक. ये ऐसे ऐसे करोगे ना इंजन एकदम, ये मशीन गन, इसको बोलते हैं मशीन गन. ऐसे ऐसे रोकोगे ना तो इंजन फास्ट होएगा और आपका फ्यूल कंजम्पशन ज़्यादा होएगा. इसको ना आपको यहाँ पे लाना है, क्या धक 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 ऐसे. ओके, so what this will do is this will reduce the fuel consumption of your bike. You will be happy. Keep in mind that if you loosen the screw a lot, what will happen is ज़्यादा इसको लूज़ करोगे तो देखो क्या आएगा, the engine will shut down. Alright, so इतना लूज़ नहीं रखने का. You need to find that sweet spot where the engine is on and it doesn't shut down like that. Sound के ऊपर से you can, this is alright, there you go. This is the optimum level. बाद में आप चाहिए तो थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लो इसको, लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसी बाइक चाहिए जो एकदम तुरंत स्टार्ट हो, तो इसको थोड़ा सा टाइट कर देने का, जिससे कि लेकिन इंजन फास्ट हो जाएगा और आपका फ्यूल ज़्यादा कंज्यूम होएगा. तो दैट्स पॉइंट नंबर 1. इसका फ़ायदा कब होता है, जब योर बाइक इज़ एट अ सिग्नल और यू नो इट्स स्टैंडिंग आइडल और स्विच ऑन किया है आपने और बाइक चालू है और जस्ट आप खड़े हो, तो उस टाइम क्या होता है, आपको इंजन फास्ट होने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती है. तो ऐसा इसको लूज़ कर देने का, जिससे कि इंजन चालू रहे लेकिन फ्यूल कंजम्पशन कम रहे और इंजन थोड़ा सा स्लो हो जाए. ओके, तो मेन फंडा वही है. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. द अदर थिंग विच यू नीड टू टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन for increasing the mileage of your bike is you need to keep the chain very clean. I can see that my chain is, I haven't cleaned it for like around a month or so. Clean your chain every 300-400 kilometers. My chain cleaning video, just take a look at that and I'll just post the link somewhere here. Alright, so that is point number 2. And point number 3, point number 3 is the basic servicing of your bike. Yep, so the basic servicing of your bike is उसमें क्या आता है, आपका engine oil आता है, basically lubricating all those parts and keeping your bike clean. अभी you can see my bike is pretty dirty. I need to get it for a wash ASAP. First of all, I need to switch this off, नहीं तो मेरा fuel consume ज़्यादा होएगा. And also it's very important that you put the right kind of engine oil in your bike. Manufacturers suggest specific grades for your bike. You put an engine oil according to that grade. For this bike, what the company recommends is a 20W50 oil. I use the Motul 5100 or the Motul 7100 and that is working pretty good on this. As your bike ages, it is better that you put a synthetic oil in your bike. Now that will be a bit expensive, so what Motul 5100 and is basically a semi-synthetic oil है, तो आप वो डाल सकते हो. तो right grade, अच्छा perfect जो grade है बाइक का, वो डालो आप. तो मैं जैसे मैंने बोला 5100 Motul 5100 डालता हूँ और ये बाइक में 20W50 का इंजन ऑयल डाला जाता है. ओके, एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ इंजन ऑयल यू ऐड इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज मैकेनिक्स डोंट नो हाउ मच इंजन ऑयल टू ऐड. यू नीड टू टेल देम इफ यू आर नॉट getting it serviced by a Bajaj service dealership or something. You need to tell the mechanic that this bike needs around 1150 ml of oil. So 1200 ml is okay. You can put 1200 ml of oil in this. I do not exceed that amount. Otherwise what happens is it comes out of the seals. Ooh, it's so hot. So guys, those were the 3 points, and for the 4th point I need to ride the bike, and so let's go. Alright. It's extremely important that you ride your bike at the right gear, possibly a higher gear. And for this particular bike, the Bajaj Avenger, I think if you ride the bike at around 60 kilometers per hour, not less, not more, you're pretty much set to get a decent fuel economy from this bike. Yeah, so that's one of the ways by which and the 5th point which you need to keep in mind is the weight. Any excess weight on the bike is bound to reduce the fuel economy. So keep in mind that if you are a heavier person, or if you are riding with a pillion, or if you are carrying lots of luggage on your bike, and because of that an extra amount of fuel is consumed, make sure that you have the least amount of weight on the bike. And many riders complain that I'm not getting this much economy. Some of the riders get around 42 kilometers per liter on the highway, while some of them get 50 kilometers per liter on the highway. But you should also take into consideration that the riders who are riding these bikes, what is their weight? You need to reduce your weight to get a good fuel economy. So these were the 5 points, 5 very important and pertinent points by which you can get a nice fuel economy of your bike. So anyways, until my next video, this is Swappy the Biker saying goodbye to all of you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.